Interesting. So I think there is great alpha in private debt, and really it is about the alpha of private debt relative to the sort of equivalent risk public market strategies. So different GPs I get very excited by, because everybody has a great story how they're going to generate alpha. But at the same time, there is risk and there's volatility in the relative performance of managers. And so manager selection really does matter. And to be honest, it is one of the biggest challenges that LPs face, is choosing the right managers in every vintage year. That is one of the reasons we really created NewVest, which allows for a passive way of just buying the market. So if you just buy the market and generate the pooled return of private debt, which is what we gravitate to, that is effectively the best way of buying the alpha of private debt relative to the equivalent public markets. Well, NewVest is a new platform we launched quite recently. We are an institutional platform of the first passive instruments for accessing private markets. So it's great to connect here with all the GPs that have all told us they'll give us access. We've spoken to most of the GPs and everybody has said they would love to give us access to their products. It's great to connect with LPs and introduce the concept and just make a coming out parade, really. So we really are the first passive, technology-driven, low cost. We don't charge any management fees at all, which for the private market is certainly something which is attractive to people. And I would hope very much to be the vanguard of private markets. That is part of the aspiration.